Riding in the open bed of pickup trucks was once a widespread practice, but now it faces legal restrictions due to safety concerns. Regulations regarding this activity vary significantly by state. Playing with jarts, or lawn darts, enjoyed popularity but proved to be extremely hazardous, especially for children. The sharp metal tips led to numerous injuries, prompting a national ban in the late 1980s. Leaded gasoline, once a common fuel, posed serious health risks. Its widespread use resulted in environmental contamination, particularly affecting children who played near busy roads. The movement to phase out leaded gasoline began in the 1970s, culminating in a nationwide ban by 1996. This initiative was crucial for enhancing public health and safeguarding the environment. The ban on smoking in U.S. domestic flights, enacted in 1990, represented a significant shift in airline policies. It notably improved air quality for passengers and crew alike. The global impact of the U.S. smoking ban led to the widespread adoption of smoke-free policies in air travel. This initiative underscored the importance of health regulations in public spaces. The experience of using rotary phones required patience and precision, fostering a ritualistic approach to making calls that many users found rewarding. Today, this tactile interaction is largely absent from modern communication devices. The introduction of touch-tone telephones in the 1970s revolutionized dialing, enhancing speed and convenience, which quickly rendered rotary phones obsolete. These push-button devices provided a far more efficient means of connecting with others. The emergence of mobile phones in the 1980s brought unprecedented freedom and accessibility, allowing users to make calls from virtually anywhere. This technological shift further diminished the practicality of traditional rotary phones. The transition from eagerly anticipating weekly cartoon episodes to binge-watching entire seasons illustrates changing viewing habits among today's youth. This evolution highlights the convenience of on-demand television. Email transformed communication by enabling instant message transmission, effectively replacing the lengthy waits associated with traditional mail. This development has significantly altered both personal and business interactions. Seatbelt laws have undergone dramatic evolution, emphasizing safety and reflecting shifting societal attitudes towards road safety. Compliance rates have surged, as wearing seatbelts is now widely regarded as essential. The trend towards store-bought Halloween costumes exemplifies how busy lifestyles impact creative traditions, making convenient options more appealing to parents and children alike. Prank calling, once a popular hobby, has transformed due to technological advances and stricter laws, shifting from harmless fun to potentially serious legal repercussions in today's society. Candy cigarettes reflect changing attitudes towards childhood products, as growing concerns over smoking normalization and health risks have led to their decline in popularity. Children today experience less free-range parenting, which encourages exploration and social interactions. This change significantly impacts their development of essential life skills. The rise of smartphones has largely replaced outdoor play, causing children to spend more time indoors and limiting their independence. This reliance on technology creates barriers to traditional play experiences. Legal uncertainties surrounding unsupervised play contribute to parental hesitance in granting children greater freedom. This stands in stark contrast to the more relaxed parenting styles of the 1980s.